So back in 2020, when we first went to CES, we actually connected with a really cool indie developer called the SonarPen. The SonarPen was a very low-scale pen that plugged into an auxiliary cord, and it gave you drawing features with their specific app that allowed you to draw in very, very skill-precise ways without needing to basically spend a lot of money on a really high-end drawing tablet or the like. We've since seen them partner with Nintendo for a couple drawing games, and now we're really excited to see that they have released their SonarPen 2, which they backed on Kickstarter, and it was really awesome. On top of the pen working now with so many different features like iPad, Android, even Windows devices, it also specifically comes with a really nice 6-month drawing program with lessons for people that want to basically become more of an artist. And so we're really excited to see not only that this company is still producing really awesome items, but they're creating a great way to introduce more people and children into art. So let's open this up and see what comes with it, what makes it so different. And then we'll talk a little bit more about it, including looking into the actual drawing program. Okay. So here is the pen. It comes with a little extra nib right there. And then here for the cord, just like the prior design, the USB-C comes in here, and then it wraps around for easy kind of storing. And then you can plug directly into the device. And you got one pen click right there, and it's very easy in your hand. And when you're done using it, you just take it and you wrap it. And close it back in, and that's that. It's just that easy to do it. Now, this pen also apparently does work with the pen holder on the side. It's got the shortcut and also palm rejection. So when you're drawing, it won't recognize the palm because it knows this is the controlling item for it, which is really cool. It's got tilt angle detection and pressure sensitivity with the pen tip. So it's able to tell how much pressure you're putting on it, as well as the directional angle at which you're drawing from, which is really awesome. And it still works with the switch, which is really awesome as well. So in here, you've got a little manual. It tells you where to basically disconnect and connect the pen. And then this is a nice little 3M stick. Oh, it's like leather-like. That allows you to basically place this on your tablet or your computer. It's even got the little logo for the SonarPen there. That's so cool. And this will guide you on how to set up the new drawing system. Yeah, that's just really cool. I'm really excited to see how this draws. Let's go give this a try. Hopefully you guys found it interesting. Hopefully you guys pick this up as well and you give it a try, because I love seeing a company that not only like 6 years later still exists, but is pushing the bounds once again to not only put more art in the hands of children, but also creating and making their device even better over time. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time.